Executive Summary. The Executive Summary is a special document reserved for summarizing the tender process and outcome. You can add the Executive Summary as part of the master set of documents for a tender, which can then be filled in later during the tendering process. Enter the details in the document. At the bottom of the document is each vendor total tendering price. If the tender was using the simple evaluations, the vendor scores would also show in the Executive Summary report. Select different vendors from the drop-down list to see their total prices. Clicking the document name will open the vendor cost calculator to do different pricing calculations. Click the History tab to view the different document edits, and the Evaluation Reports button lists the different comparison reports.